Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove an item on your Dollar Tree online shopping cart. Open the website at dollartree.com, then click on Account. On the pop-up window, enter your email address and password. Then click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a cart icon on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the cart icon. Now you will see the list of items on your cart. Select which item you wish to remove. Under the item's quantity, you will see a Remove button. Click on Remove. That's how you remove an item on your Dollar Tree online shopping cart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.